Welcome. If you use WhatsApp Web often, you might have noticed that sometimes your messages stop loading or syncing when the tab isn't active. Well, good news with the new update, you can now allow WhatsApp Web to sync in the background on your PC. This means your chats stay up to date even when you switch to other tabs or apps. Let's walk through how to enable this step by step. First, open WhatsApp Web on your preferred browser. You can do this by typing the WhatsApp Web link into the address bar, scanning the QR code with your phone, and waiting for your chat list to appear. Once that's done, move to the top of your screen where you see the web address. Next to the web address, you'll notice a small icon. It might look like a lock or an information symbol. Click on that to open the View Site Information panel. This is where you can manage important settings and permissions for the site you're currently visiting. From here, select Settings. This will open a new menu where you can adjust several site-specific options. Under the section labeled Permissions, find and click More Settings Permissions. This step takes you deeper into the detailed list of what WhatsApp Web can and can't do while running in your browser. Once you're in this section, look for the option called Background Sync. By default, this might be set to Ask or Block. Next to it, click on the drop-down menu and choose Allow. That's it. You've now enabled background sync for WhatsApp Web on your PC. From now on, your messages will stay synced automatically, even when you minimize the browser or open another window. It's a small change, but one that makes a big difference, ensuring you never miss a message again, whether you're working, browsing, or just multitasking across different tabs. If this guide helped you, consider exploring other new features WhatsApp rolls out from time to time. They're constantly improving, and this background sync option is just the start of smoother, more connected desktop chatting.